We have a vision, a target to be fulfilled that says we want to be energy autark, energy independent by the year 2050.
We have a clear strategy in the Austrian energy policy. First, until 2015, 100% of electricity needs should be produced from renewable sources, and until 2020, 50% of the total energy requirements should come from renewable energy.
Vienna is actually going this way very, very, very ambitiously. Now we have a share of 71% if you count together public transport, pedestrians and bicycle rides. But Hong Kong is number one with 84%. What we want to do is to catch up with Hong Kong and be number one worldwide within the next 10 years. This also means, of course, developing many strategies, but not only developing them, getting at it and making things work.
I have been looking into energy policy for many years now. I'm convinced that we will see big changes in the energy market in future years.
Over 2 million people live in Austrian model regions. And 8 model regions are testing different systems to bring a broad introduction of e-mobility. Of course, powered by renewable energies only. And Vienna, for instance, is planning to become an e-mobility metropolis.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud that the 10th annual ASPO conference is held here in Vienna. From my point of view, that is the right place at the right time.
We have to ask what will be the future demands on society in 30, 50, or possibly in 100 years. And we have to ask, where should we set priorities in research today in order to have the right technologies tomorrow for the solutions in the long-term future.
I really want to thank all of you that you did come, and looking forward to see some of you maybe in Aberdeen next year.